Okay.
You already play man?
Come on.
You didn't already?
No, let's turn sweet that now.
Yeah man.
Thanks for having us. Sure, Carlos. MP1 champion.
Yes man. Yeah man, there.
What's happening?
Yeah, well, we're there, we're there at the shop, try to get my brother's car up and running. My car is actually at the scientists getting some wire work done because of the incident that we have with the electrical.
Yeah, most of the fans were asking, what was wrong with the car, Dopo?
Alright, well, after going out for qualifying, a matter of fact, during practice we had a little issue where the water, the coolant was leaking. Me and Raymar again, all day we had the issue. We tried to fix it, find out that the seal burst. Anyway, after a few attempts we sorted it out and it was alright. So on race morning I went out for qualifying, everything was fine. When I went out I heard that I just have 3 minutes for qualifying. Went out, did a warm-up lap and it just did one hot lap. On cooling down, I just felt the car did a little and then that was it. Upon coming back into the pits, we find out that the computer not responding. Pull out the computer, pull the back of it, we find out that the Honda got damage, computer burner. So we had to just enjoy the race day as a spectator.
Well, how does it feel now to be behind in the championship, fighting back? We're heading into meet number 2 at Jamwest, which is your home track. What is your plans for your fight back for the championship?
Well, the good thing about it is that I am no stranger from fighting from the back of the pack.
Okay.
So we are 30 points down. Just like last season where I met into the accident on Easter Monday again. I had to develop confidence and consistency to win the championship, and that's the game plan again for this year. So we are all about consistency for this year.
Who's the main contender in MP1?
Well, right now it would be Dr. Dan Gilbert. I am hoping that Mr. Ian Wright will come back with his car because I'm hearing things that he's coming back. So he would be my main competitor because he's really fast. So I'm looking for that competition with him. But right now it will be Dr. Dan Gilbert and Marlon. What's Marlon's last name again? Marlon Robinson with 11.
Oh, Endless.
Right, Endless. We are both in the same car.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the MP1 is tightening up. So
Right.
The champion behind MP2, Tommy is leading. He's fighting for the championship. And MP3 it will be Oliver Townsend fighting.
Right.
Lamar.
With Lamar and Jagan.
Yeah.
Peter Jagan.
Right.
And 4 now, Jamie King just jump into the mix with Doug and Alan.
Nice.
That MP4 fight is shaping up to be a nice battle because
Yeah,
Doug only won by 1 point, and with you and Dr. Gilbert we're very close.
Right. That the last.
We're very close. So the competitiveness is there, but
Right.
MP1 guys, and it's growing.
Yes.
We should have another competitor in MP1, and MP2 is where the spice is.
Not to cut it up, but when I was at Dover, I heard that another MP1 car will be joining the mix. Rambo. Rambo is gonna come with his EF.
Okay, yes.
I'm not sure.
Cayman.
Right. I'm not sure if he's gonna make the Jamwest meet, but he
But
said
for the August meet.
Right.
August meet,
Okay.
yes. Rambo, he's in MP3 now.
Right.
With a turbo.
charge.
Right.
But
He had a car in Cayman.
no, the car is now in Jamaica though.
They're here?
Yeah, the EF is now in Jamaica.
Right, so he's gonna come.
Right.
So
So
he's, and then we have MP2, we have Sebastian Ray,
yeah man, Sebastian.
we have Andre Toyloy, we have Demar Lee.
IP.
No, Andre's in 2.
Oh yeah. My bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So MP2, Young De La Pena.
Big up my mother, she come down from Florida.
Fast.
No, not fast. I'm getting a new engine.
Oh,
A
yeah.
4-piston engine. So I hear that MP2 when I shaping up.
To be the yeah.
Anytime you have a class that's so competitive, still you always find the fighters them in there. And now you have Windsor Young
Yeah, we
joining the party. MP2?
Yes, I'm sure.
Boy, MP2 hot enough. You heard the Nissan, so you have one Nissan, one Toyota, and a whole Sea Honda.
Well, Ricardo, let me ask you, with Jamwest being a different track from Dover, any special preparation would have to be in place?
Everything changes. Gear ratios change.
Okay.
Gear ratios change.
Okay. So, which will be done in time for the meet, though?
Yeah, man. The gearbox is here at the shop, but we haven't done the work to it as yet. We are waiting until Bojo arrives back from Antigua
Okay.
to do the maths on it.
Working magic.
But we have all the parts here ready to do the ratio for it.
Alright.
Sounds spicy.
Yeah. Alright, so May 21st.
May 21st, Jamwest
Jamwest.
Speedway. We're hearing from the champion, NP1 champion himself,
Yeah.
that is used to fighting and he's gonna be fighting. Where we're gonna look forward to this epic battle in MP1 because it's shaping up nice.
Definitely.
And as man of a bad yard.
Of course.
So we hear from them May 21st, MP1 class champion. He's here, he's ready, and he's going to defend the turf.
Straight.
Big up.
Alright, Ricardo. Don't know. One love,
Yeah, man.
respect.
Alright.
Alright, bro.
So this is the magic behind the team. He does 90% of the work. Engine, suspension, cage, everything. When it started, if you don't know about the Scots, they're family oriented
Blessing
team.
family, yeah.
Dad does the welding, he does the mechanics, and somebody crashes the car. But we want to welcome Emar to the camp. He'll be campaigning in the street class.
Okay.
So now we have 2 cars coming to the camp.
Wicked.
So this is an exciting time for the family.
Your first time circuit racing, Raymond?
Yes.
Okay. Excited?
Yes, man. Excited. Very excited.
But it's no stranger to racing drag, you know?
Yeah. I mean,
and I've done a few laps though by Jamwest.
right. This car is no stranger to the drag racers. Drag racing. What, 13?
Yeah, the best time so far with the car is 13.0 braking.
Wow. All right. So definitely getting your feet wet in the super street class to step up,
Definitely.
right?
Yes, definitely. And this is growth, and
Yeah.
this is what we're about. This whole board is getting people who always want to race at Dover,
Yeah.
giving them opportunity to race and adding more cars to the grid.
Definitely.
So I want to welcome you.
Definitely.
Wish you all the best.
Yes,
May
man,
21st.
I want to give you a big up for what you've been doing for the club. Trust me, you know what you have been doing is what inspired me to come into the sport now. I've always been laid back, but I'm coming into the sport now, and I'm coming in with my both feet. I just want to
Appreciate that. But I'm not going to take all the credit. I'm
The
a
team.
board. The team. The
Right,
board.
the team.
The board is. I've given me the free rein to work, and we know, and we hear the cry, and we hear. But changes is never usually accepted.
True.
Right away.
True.
We're still doing the work.
True.
We're doing the work to keep JRDC alive.
Definitely.
And I appreciate
And
it.
big up 876 Streets.
Big up, Raymond. All right. So May 21st.
May 21st.
Jamwest Speedway,
Jamwest
Wheels
Speedway.
on Fire.
We're going to be doing more updates. Check out 876 Street, the JRDC, and the Jamwest page. Please, we're going to keep you informed. But save the date, May 21st. It's going to be epic. It's been 3 years since we've been here, and all the drivers are ready. This is the fastest circuit in the Caribbean. Come out and see our best drivers. All the big guns will be here.
Don't miss it.
Don't miss it.
That's it.